Hi everybody, it's Shanna with Shanna Sweets. I want to make you a video to show you why I haven't been around very much lately, at least one of the reasons. I was asked to make a mini album for our niece, and this is for a friend of hers. Don't know the person, so I don't really know anything about her. This is made from a pattern that I found from somebody online. I honestly just Googled mini album patterns, and this person came up, and so I did see a video later after I started this where she actually sells this particular patterned mini album for like $150 when she custom makes them. At least one of the videos I watched of hers. So I understand why after I started, because it went through a lot of paper. So this is using a lot of various products. It's, I would say like half and half. It's, the base is Pool Party Stampin' Up! And it is over like 1.5 packages of Pool Party paper. I'm tried to use as much Stampin' Up! Stuff as I can. A lot of it's current, retired, in between. There's a lot of DSP from other companies just because I wanted baby stuff and we don't have baby specific. I had a little bit of retired, couple sheets of some retired baby stuff from a couple years ago, but that was it. Excuse me. Otherwise, I have one stamp set that I used that was another company. Otherwise, we have 3 current stamp sets that are baby, and then I used 2 retired stamp sets. So a lot of different things went into this album. And I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I hope my niece and her friend like it. I used our letters for the front. I used our gold gilding to help kind of accent. I added gold for part of the binding. Here, some of our gold ribbon is going to tie it closed on the side. When you open it up, there's pockets on both the inside covers that have tags in them. And then the front here, for the first, it's 5 pages, and each page has a tag sticking out of it because it's a hinged, I don't know if you can see here, the hinged is how you put the pages in. So there's an opening, and so each one has a big tag that comes out, and there's like Pool Party on one side and then just DSP so they can put pictures or so the first page is got a little button here with a little thread to keep it closed, and then it opens up like this, and then the side pocket opens and opens that way. I put white, most of them are white mats, and then I wrote on them what size that she can cut her picture at. This is a current stamp set that we have with dies, and that is, I can never quite remember how I have it going in here sometimes. And so this is a retired bear, and then this is current, so that's the same stamp set. Then the back side has a pocket with some more tags, and I used the edge, one of our border edge, and I just made my own little edge for those tags on that one. And here's the other baby stamp set we have. It's these little babies in little sleepers, and I colored there throughout the album too. And here is this pocket opens up, and I love these little babies. They're so cute. And like I said, sometimes it's hard to remember how you put it together. I don't think that was it. And then the back one just flips. And here's our other little baby. And this one opens out. And this one I just made, I folded it and then added it like that and used some little embellishment dots to fill in on the scallops. And here I made a waterfall. This is like literally the third time I filmed this video. And then so this is going to tie closed here. And it's just meant for photo mats. And then this is magnetized. I actually have a couple of them. I thought this one had a magnet. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe that's not the other one. This one does. This one's got a flip and with the pocket here. And then I made my own journaling cards. So this has got a journal and this has got a journal on the back. Oh, I think that's the other magnet. And then this one here is a pocket that I took some DSP and just covered an envelope. And then this one opens. And then it opens this way. And that bunny's so cute. And then opens this way. Comes this way. And then this one flips that way, and this will tie down here. And then another pocket with a tag. And then this way, this will tie right here. And I'm going to leave the ties really long so then that way they can trim it or do whatever they want. And then I didn't put anything else. I'm not going to put anything else on the back just to be safe. So there we go. That is my quick rendition of this mini album. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you will comment so you can be entered in my monthly Blog Candy, which is my birthday giveaway this month. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and I hope you're having a great summer. Bye.